Alright, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I literally came to Diddy's dungeon just to film this. This is the most insane thing I've ever seen in my life. All this ice, as you want to say, on these walls. This is crazy. Oh god. Dude, what the fuck? This is insane. This is weird looking. Try another card, my ass. So I'm just here, no, don't want that. High pressure soap. This is the craziest thing ever. I've never seen this like this. Everybody looking at me with the GoPro on like a freak. There we go. What the fuck is this? This bitch off. Actually, so fucking cold, bro. Oh my god. Jesus. Alright, we're good there. I have to take pictures. This is so fucking weird, dude. I hope this doesn't all fucking freeze, bro. Oh my god, it's so cold. Dude, this thing has not been cleaned in a long time. Not even just rinsed off. Alright, it's too cold. I don't give a fuck about the videos. Oh, dude, everything's frozen. It's probably a horrible idea to do this, but what are you gonna do, dude? Oh my god, so cold. I'm still recording, right? Huh? Yeah, dude. We are still good. Anyway, what's up, guys? That's all gonna freeze. That's not good. I probably shouldn't have done that. I gotta stop talking, bro. Anyway, I do this every time I leave a car wash because it's slippery. I go out there, I go whip. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna do that now. Why would I switch it up if I'm used to doing this? So we put the seatbelt on. I'm just blabbering away because I'm tired and delusional and just saying shit. But see, as long as there's no cops, I do a quick little yip and I feel better. So let's see. I don't know where the curb is. That's the last thing I need, bro. To curb my wheels, leaving the Diddy layer. Turn my lights on because that would be good. Need that. And throw this thing back in four-wheel drive. Oh, it was cold out there. I mean, it's 20 degrees, which isn't fun. Put traction control on. The 20 degrees thing sucks But, you know, when there's water around you, like my hands kind of hurt right now, it's cold. You get it. You guys get it. Especially if you're from the Northeast. But, yeah, how you guys doing, dude? I'm alright. It's gonna be a quick one. I just gotta get content out there. You know what I mean? Because it's rough in these streets, brother. You know? YouTube stuff is hard. I'm trying to grind. Let me turn this on so you guys could at least see a little bit. But, yeah. Going home. Walmart and then home. These tires are horrible. Really got to be careful as I speed around this corner. Traction control does pretty well in this thing. Sound kind of open. I don't know. I don't think there's water in here, so. Well, it's kind of freaking me out. I don't know why it's doing that. Y'all hear that, right? Whatever, you know, as long as it's not actually open. What the hell? Something just sounds open, you know what I mean? What the hell? Once I go to whatchamacallit, Walmart, I'm gonna check, close everything. Couldn't tell you what that is. This is also my method to drying my car, is just driving fast for a little bit. Yo, but I kid you not, everything is frozen on the car. That was a horrible idea to wash this thing. I'm not gonna be able to open the doors or anything. Ugh. All that on the hood is not moving at all, so it's all frozen. What are you gonna do, you know? You make dumb decisions, you learn for the next time. I never clean my car in the cold. It's just like, this was driving me insane, the fact that it was so salty. I just felt bad. But the sound of the roof somewhere is really irritating me. It's just freaky. It sounds like there's a window cracked. Look, this is the second guy I've seen without taillights on. What are we doing, bro? Like that's more dangerous than me driving 5 miles an hour over the speed limits. You can't see that at all. Come on, dude. So sketched out with deers and animals and stuff now. I hit a deer early into ownership of this, and it was on a road that you couldn't see anything, and the deer, like I didn't see the deer other than in front of my vehicle, and it scared the shit out of me, and I hit it, obviously. I had literally zero time to react. I'm not even making an excuse for myself, so I'm just always sketched out like driving quick at night, you know what I mean? Especially on this side side of the road, because that's where they hop out from. But there's like nowhere for deer to hop out here, so you know, I don't feel too bad. I didn't even take into account my brakes are wet. I don't, and with this cold, I don't know if that makes too much of a difference. I'm sure they're pretty hot because I've been driving around, but that was a little foolish of me. Got to keep that in mind. Let's see, I'm going to my local Walmart to get windshield wiper fluid. Oh my God, there's ice all over. I hope, like, what my guess is that something's frozen and it was making, like, it's built up and that's the wind wisping off of it, which I hope is the case, because that's no big deal. Other than that, I don't know why that sound is going off like that. Cybertruck? No, literally not even. It's a Hyundai. It's a Kona, I think. Same thing, basically, right? But yeah, this was meant to be a very short video. Just a little wash and a little drive and a little too much yapping. So let's see. I'm gonna take you guys with me when I get out, just to see if I can see any visual things on why that sounds like that. I'm gonna let this guy go. Yep, open until 11. So let's hop out and see what's going on with this. Oh, is it? I don't know why this looks different. I know there's a bunch of, I don't know. I really don't know what that was. All fucking frozen. That was a horrible move to wash this in the freezing cold. I just don't know why that sound was doing that. I never had this open. It could have to do with this on the seal itself. So let's just hope for the best. All right, let us just hope for the best. It looks so much better despite being covered in ice now. But yeah, I'm gonna cut this here and just do what I have to do. And yeah, God bless. Like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. I gotta pop my hood now. Hopefully this isn't an issue. But yeah, who cares? Peace.